Hello everyone, myself Purvesh. We all know the pain when we have to look the entire document, a research paper, book to find out a small answer to a question, a fact or a concept. But no worries, it will no longer be a problem because to overcome this problem I have created a project with the latest technology like LangChain to make this question answering task easier. The only thing we will have to do in this is to provide a document on which we want to perform a query and then just ask questions to the document. As simple as that. Everyone nowadays know about the ChatGPT, which is a generative pre-trained transformer which relies on large language model. Abilities of large language models include generating and understanding natural language. LangChain on the other hand gives developer a framework to construct LLM powered apps. We will use the abilities of GPT 3.5 to understand and generate natural language along with the LangChain to build our project. I will now explain how it actually works. Firstly, we will install all the important libraries that we are going to use in this project. For example, LangChain, OpenAI, Py2PDF for processing PDF files, FAISS CPU, which efficiently does similarity search and clustering of dense vectors, tick token, which acts as a tokenizer for OpenAI models, and wget to download files that we want. After that, we will import the important functions and classes which we will be using. This is an important step. In this step, what we will do is we will set the OS environment with the OpenAI key. We can find the OpenAI key. I have deleted here my OpenAI key, but we we have to put here the OpenAI key, which we can found on OpenAI website. After that, using the PDF reader, we will import this file. In my case, I have considered the file semiconductor, which is a 12th uh, which is a chapter in 12th science 12th physics book. After that, the next step is we get the raw data, which is the text data from that PDF. In this function, we iterate over the pages, and on each page we extract the text from that page and then we add it to our raw text variable. The next step is to split the text data. Here we mention the text splitter. This we have done because most of the large language models have limit on their tokens. So we will have to mention the chunk size, the chunk overlapping, and the length of the function. After that, we will split the text. We will split the text based on our split function. Now here, what we will do is using the OpenAI embeddings, we will download these OpenAI embeddings first, and then we will perform a document search. So here what we are doing is we are calling FAISS dot from text and take we are passing parameters as text and embedding. So for this particular text, we are creating embeddings. Under the hood, what happens is we are creating a vector store for that particular document that we have uploaded. Here, if we can see, if I print document search, it shows LangChain community dot vector stores. So this variable document dot search is basically a vector store. Now in this command load QA underscore chain, we pass two parameters, OpenAI and chain type is equal to stuff. So what is basically does is that it loads the Q&A chain for us by taking the OpenAI, by considering the OpenAI model that we have just mentioned before. Now this is the final step of our project where we perform a query on that document. So we first mention what is the query. In my case, it is I have mentioned the query like what is an intrinsic semiconductor. So if you can see uh, in this PDF, there is a paragraph about intrinsic semiconductors. So if I run this, it gives me correct answer like intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductors that have equal number of electrons, and so on and so on. What this step basically does is it takes the document search vector store and carries out the similarity search based on the query, and then we use LangChain's chain.run, which basically creates a instance of a LLM chain class using a predefined OpenAI large language model. In our case, it is GPT 3.5, and we run on our documents by also passing the question as a query. So another query that I gave it was give me the example of intrinsic semiconductors, which it gave correct answer as silicon and germanium. We can also provide to of the PDF files which we want to ask question and answers. For example, this link is a link for Meta's Llama 2 Open Foundation and Fine-Tuned Chat Models research paper. We carry out the same step that we have done earlier, like we download the file, get the text from the file. Here we can see we have printed the text of the paper. After that, we will split the text and carry out the document search. So finally, when we give it a query like what is a GET method, it correctly gives output as GET method is a technique used in Llama 2 chat model. We can also give specific queries uh, based just on the data of that research paper, like up to how many turns GET is consistent. So it will correctly give the answer 20 turns. So this is the end of our project. Thank you.